The world of cars is changing. Fast. What once seemed like science fiction is now rolling down our streets, transforming the way we move and think about transportation. For decades, the roar of engines defined our streets, but now, a quiet hum is taking over. The familiar sound of combustion is being replaced by the near silence of electric motors, signaling a new era for city life. In Egypt, this electric revolution is no longer a distant dream. It's 2026, and EVs are everywhere, from Cairo's bustling avenues to Alexandria's scenic roads. The shift is visible, tangible, and impossible to ignore. Sleek, silent, and modern, these cars glide through traffic that was once ruled by petrol and diesel. The contrast is striking. Old and new sharing the same roads, but the future is clearly electric. The government is pushing hard, people are curious, and manufacturers are finally delivering EVs that are both eco-friendly and genuinely desirable. Incentives, awareness campaigns, and new models are making EVs more accessible than ever. This isn't just about swapping engines, it's a complete rethink of what a car can be. Interiors are more high-tech, driving is smoother, and the experience feels futuristic. Electric cars offer new freedoms, charging at home, fewer maintenance headaches, and instant silent acceleration. For many, it's a whole new way to interact with their vehicle, and it's changing daily routines. Egypt is writing its own chapter in this global story. Families, commuters, and businesses are all part of this transformation, adapting to a cleaner, smarter way to travel. Of course, there are challenges: charging, range, and price. But the momentum is undeniable. Charging stations are popping up, and conversations about EVs are everywhere. The conversation has shifted from if to when. People are no longer asking whether EVs will take over, but how soon it will happen and how it will affect their lives. The electric car has arrived in the land of the pharaohs, not as a whisper, but as a statement. It's a symbol of progress, blending Egypt's rich history with a bold vision for the future. The Green Revolution is here, driven by Egyptians navigating both ancient and modern roads. Every journey is a step toward a cleaner, more sustainable tomorrow. We'll dive into the real questions. Where do you charge? How easy is it to find a station in the city or on the highway? How far can you go? What does range anxiety really mean for Egyptian drivers, and how are new models addressing it? Is it worth the price? We'll look at the real costs, incentives, and long-term savings that come with going electric. Make no mistake, the shift is happening now. Every day more Egyptians are making the switch, and the landscape is changing before our eyes. Welcome to Egypt's electric future, a future that's cleaner, quieter, and full of possibility. Why are carmakers racing to build EVs? The answer goes far beyond just keeping up with the latest trend. It's about a fundamental shift in how we think about cars, transportation, and even the future of our cities. Because electric vehicles aren't just an upgrade, they're a total reinvention. They're changing the very DNA of the automobile, from how it's built to how it's driven. Forget thousands of moving parts. Traditional engines are a maze of gears, pistons, and fluids that constantly need attention. An EV is a battery, a motor, and smart software. That's it. The simplicity is revolutionary, making cars easier to design, build, and maintain. Fewer parts mean fewer breakdowns and lower maintenance costs. Mechanics spend less time fixing, and owners spend less money worrying about repairs. No oil changes, no exhausts, no fan belts, just plug in and go. Charging at home or at work becomes part of your daily routine, as easy as charging your phone. For owners, that means less hassle and more savings. Over time, the cost of running an EV drops, and the convenience only grows, and the driving experience, instant torque, press the pedal, and you're off. No lag, no fuss. The smooth, silent acceleration is addictive, making every drive feel futuristic. Even a family EV feels sporty in city traffic. The quiet ride and quick response make city driving less stressful and more enjoyable for everyone. But the biggest reason for the shift is the environment. Our cities are choking on pollution, and something has to change. Governments are cracking down on emissions, and cities want cleaner air. New policies and incentives are making EVs more attractive than ever. Petrol cars will always pollute, EVs don't. Every electric mile means less carbon in the air and a healthier planet for future generations. For Egypt's crowded cities, that means less smog and quieter streets. Imagine a Cairo where the air is cleaner and the noise of engines is replaced by a gentle electric hum. Cleaner air, healthier people, and a step toward sustainability. The benefits ripple out to every part of daily life, from public health to urban planning. The appeal is clear. EVs are better for your wallet, your city, and the planet. They're not just a new kind of car, they're a new way of thinking about mobility. The car world is being shaken up, and Egypt is right in the middle of it. As more Egyptians make the switch, the transformation is only accelerating. The future is electric, and it's already here. The revolution has begun, and it's driving us all toward a cleaner, smarter tomorrow. Let's get practical. The electric vehicle revolution isn't just a global trend, it's happening right here in Egypt, and it's picking up speed faster than ever before. If you're shopping for an EV in Egypt, what's on offer? The choices are growing, and 2026 is shaping up to be a landmark year for electric mobility in the country. The Geely Geometry C leads the pack, a stylish, tech-filled crossover with a price that's finally within reach for many. It's not just about affordability. The Geometry C brings a modern design and smart features that appeal to young professionals and families alike. It's big enough for families, nimble for city driving, and proves you don't need a huge budget to go electric. With its impressive safety features and user-friendly tech, it's a practical choice for daily commutes or weekend getaways. Next, the Volkswagen ID.4. When VW goes electric, you know it's serious. The ID.4 is Volkswagen's answer to the growing demand for premium EVs in Egypt. The ID.4 brings German quality, comfort, and a premium feel, at a higher price, but with real value. Its spacious interior, advanced driver assistance systems, and smooth ride make it a favorite for those who want a touch of luxury with their sustainability. Then there's the Dongfeng E70 Pro, the Range King. This sedan is making waves for its ability to go the distance on a single charge. It's a practical saloon built for long distances, perfect for taxi drivers or anyone who travels between cities. With its robust battery and reliable performance, it's quickly becoming a favorite among professionals who need to cover serious ground. Each of these cars offers something different: affordability, quality, or sheer range. Whether you're looking for a family car, a premium ride, or a workhorse for long trips, there's an option for you. They're not futuristic concepts. They're on Egyptian roads right now, turning heads and changing perceptions about what's possible with electric mobility. The market is growing fast, and these three are setting the standard. Charging infrastructure is expanding, and more people are making the switch every day. Whether you want style, comfort, or distance, there's an EV for you. The choices are more exciting and accessible than ever before. The electric revolution isn't coming, it's already here. Egypt is embracing the future, and these cars are leading the charge. Egypt's EV scene is real, and it's just getting started. The next few years will see even more innovation and choice. Let's take a closer look at what makes these cars stand out, and why they're capturing the imagination of a new generation of Egyptian drivers.